Michael had always wanted to get fit, but he never found the time. He worked in an office all day and spent most of his evenings watching TV or playing video games. One day, he looked in the mirror and realized that he was out of shape. His clothes felt tighter, and he often felt tired even after a short walk. This has to change, he thought. The next morning, Michael decided to join a gym. He searched online and found a gym near his house. It had good reviews and affordable membership fees. He signed up and promised himself that he would go at least 3 times a week. On his first day, Michael was both excited and nervous. He had never been to a gym before, so he didn't know what to expect. When he arrived, the receptionist greeted him with a friendly smile. "Welcome to Fit Life, Jim." "Is this your first time here?" she asked. "Yes, it is," Michael said. "I just joined, and I don't really know where to start." "No problem. We have a personal trainer who can show you around," she said. A few minutes later, a trainer named Jake approached him. Jake was tall, muscular, and very friendly. "Hi, Michael. Welcome to the gym. Let me show you around," Jake said. He took Michael on a tour of the gym. There were treadmills, exercise bikes, weightlifting machines, and a section for free weights. There was also a room for yoga and group fitness classes. "What are your fitness goals?" Jake asked. "Well, I just want to be healthier and have more energy," Michael said. "I also want to lose some weight." "That's great. The most important thing is to start slow and be consistent," Jake said. "Let's begin with a warm-up." Jake showed Michael how to stretch his muscles before exercising. Then, he put Michael on the treadmill for 10 minutes. At first, Michael walked at a slow pace, but after a few minutes, Jake encouraged him to increase the speed. After the treadmill, they moved on to strength training. Jake showed him how to use the weight machines safely. Michael tried lifting some dumbbells, but they felt heavy. "Start with lighter weights and increase them as you get stronger," Jake advised. Michael followed Jake's instructions and completed his first workout. By the end of the session, he was sweating and breathing heavily. "That was harder than I thought," Michael said, wiping his forehead. "You did great." Remember, it takes time to see results. Just keep coming, and you'll feel stronger each week, Jake encouraged him. Over the next few weeks, Michael stuck to his schedule. At first, his muscles were sore, but he didn't give up. He started to enjoy the workouts. He listened to music while running on the treadmill, and even made some new friends at the gym. One day, he met a woman named Sarah. She had been working out for years and gave him some useful tips. "Drink plenty of water and eat healthy food," she said. "Exercise is important, but diet is just as important." Michael took her advice and started eating more vegetables and lean protein. He also cut back on fast food and sugary drinks. After 2 months, Michael noticed big changes. He had more energy, his clothes fit better, and he felt more confident. He could lift heavier weights, run longer on the treadmill, and his body felt stronger. One evening, he looked in the mirror. Again, this time he smiled. He wasn't just exercising to lose weight anymore. He actually enjoyed it. The gym had become a part of his routine, and he felt proud of his progress. "I'm really doing it," he thought. One day, Jake suggested that Michael try a group class. "You should join the HIIT session," he said. "It's a great way to build endurance." Michael hesitated at first, but he decided to give it a try. The class was intense. There were jumping jacks, push-ups, squats, and fast-paced exercises that made his heart race. He struggled to keep up, but the instructor kept encouraging him. "Come on, Michael, you got this," she shouted. By the end of the class, Michael was exhausted but proud of himself. He realized that pushing himself out of his comfort zone was the key to improvement. Another time, Sarah convinced him to join a yoga session. "It's great for flexibility and relaxation," she said. Michael had always thought yoga was easy, but he quickly changed his mind. Holding poses for a long time was challenging, but by the end of the session, he felt refreshed and stress-free. As the months passed, Michael's gym routine became second nature. He enjoyed trying new workouts, setting goals, and challenging himself. He even inspired his coworkers to join the gym, and they started exercising together. One day, after finishing a workout, he sat down and reflected on his journey. "I never thought I would love going to the gym," he said to himself. "But now, I can't imagine my life without it." Michael's journey to fitness had just begun, but he was excited for the future. He knew that with consistency and determination, he could achieve even more. And so, he continued his journey, one workout at a time.